इसमें प्रैक्टिस के लिए आपको क्वेश्चन सुनाई देगा और राइट योर आंसर, जब आंसर आएगा तो उसमें बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर। उसके पहले आप क्या करेंगे, ऐसे एक पेज लेंगे और अपने 28 नंबर्स डाल लेंगे। ठीक है, जैसे क्वेश्चन सुनाई देता है आपको और वहां बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर, तो आप अपना राइट आंसर यहां पे लिख लेंगे। ठीक है, फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, तो आप अपने सारे आंसर लिख लीजिए और लास्ट में आपको आंसर भी सुनाए जाएंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आंसर, इस अपने आंसर मिला लीजिए। यदि आपके सही आंसर, सारे आंसर सही हैं, वेल डन, नहीं तो दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करें।
Page number 16, medium speed. Answers in the end. Start. Please write down 1 to 28 numbers to write answers, so you can check your answers in the end. Start. Question number 1, start. 11, 3, 8. Write your answer next. Question number 2, start. 99 minus 72. 13. 9 minus 42. Write your answer next. Question number 3, start. 18. 13. 9. Write your answer next. Question number 4, start. 67. 3. 11. 9. Minus 80. Write your answer next. Question number 5, start. 7. 3. 9. Write your answer next. Question number 6, start. 99. Minus 20. Plus 3. 7. 6. Write your answer next. Question number 7, start. 9. 3. 9. Write your answer next. Question number 8, start. 57. 2. 13. 8. 12. Write your answer next. Question number 9, start. 17. 3. 3. Write your answer next. Question number 10, start. 27. 3. 9. 4. 56. Write your answer next. Question number 11, start. 7. 3. 9. Write your answer next. Question number 12, start. 14. 5. 3. 8. 9. Write your answer next. Question number 13, start. 29. 3. 8. Write your answer next. Question number 14, start. 15. 5. 7. 3. 13. Write your answer next. Question number 15, start. 12. 7. 23. Write your answer next. Question number 16, start. 19. 3. 8. 9. 7. Write your answer next. Question number 17, start. 19. 3. Minus 2. Write your answer next. Question number 18, start. 57. 3. 3, 7, 13. Write your answer next. Question number 19 start. 7, 3, 1. Write your answer next. Question number 20 start. 7, 3, 13, 17, 53. Write your answer next. Question number 21 start. 54, 5, 3. Write your answer next. Question number 22 start. 11, 6, 13, 9, minus 28. Write your answer next. Question number 23 start. 7, 3, 10. Write your answer next. Question number 24 start. 19, 3, minus 12, 4, 6. Write your answer next. Question number 25 start. 15, 2, 3. Write your answer next. Question number 26 start. 59, 23, 7, 7, minus 95. Write your answer next. Question number 27 start. 59, 13, 8. Write your answer next. Question number 28 start. 77, 13, 9. Minus 20, 15. Write your answer next. Please check your answers. Start. Question number 1. Answer is 22. Question number 2. Answer is 7. Question number 3. Answer is 40. Question number 4. Answer is 10. Question number 5. Answer is 19. Question number 6. Answer is 95. Question number 7. Answer is 21. Question number 8. Answer is 92. Question number 9. Answer is 23. Question number 10. Answer is 99. Question number 11. Answer is 19. Question number 12. Answer is 39. Question number 13. Answer is 40. Question number 14. Answer is 43. Question number 15. Answer is 42. Question number 16. Answer is 46. Question number 17. Answer is 20. Question number 18. Answer is 83. Question number 19. Answer is 11. Question number 20. Answer is 93. Question number 21. Answer is 62. Question number 22. Answer is 11. Question number 23. Answer is 20. Question number 24. Answer is 20. Question number 25. Answer is 20. Question number 26. Answer is 1. Question number 27. Answer is 80. Question number 28. Answer is 94. Thank you.